of you to please start taking your seats as we move towards celebrating this evening, celebrating 18th anniversary of SarkariTel.com. Namaskar, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the entire team of SarkariTel.com and DiplomacyIndia.com, I am your host, Preeti, and I welcome you all, extending a warm welcome to all of you here as we get together to celebrate 18th anniversary of SarkariTel.com. I'm going to once again request you all to please take your seats, and our chief guest for the evening, Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation, Commerce and Industry, Shri Suresh Prabhu, and other special guests of honor, Shri Hansraj Ahirji, MOS Home, and Shri Sunil Diodharji, National Secretary of the BJP, will be shortly amongst us and joining us here at the hall. So, ladies and gentlemen, just to give you a brief introduction of the night, of the evening that we are celebrating, you're all aware of SarkariTel.com. It's a premium and user-friendly information cum news portal. It boasts of complete details of contacts and other coordinates of ministries and departments in central as well as state government, as well as public sector undertakings. Now, since its inception in April 2000, SarkariTel.com has effectively accomplished its objective of providing news and information to varied user groups at a single click. That's right, all of the information is available right on the portal with a single click, and it's a great resource. In fact, the website has become a bridge of sorts between the Aam Aadmi and the government and their representatives. Today, we have assembled to celebrate the 18th anniversary, 18 amazing years of this resourceful website that contains more than 1 lakh pages. And these pages include useful information which is readily available and is an instant hit between bureaucrats, journalists, policymakers, students, academicians, and of course, like I mentioned, the common man, the Aam Aadmi, taking benefit of this marvelous website. Now, in the year 2014, SarkariTel.com added another feather to its cap by launching DiplomacyIndia.com, a website which is exclusively devoted to detailing India's diplomatic and economic engagement with key countries in the world. This is an extremely useful website for anyone who wants to see our international engagements as well, and of course, connect with diplomacy. Now, another important event tonight is also our awards and felicitation ceremony. This is for the first time that SarkariTel.com has taken this initiative. So on turning major, SarkariTel.com dedicated to celebrate its glorious journey by felicitating the movers and shakers and the executing team responsible for implementing the current government's flagship schemes and programs, and this will be done through our Excellence Awards and Felicitations 2018. Now, these awards, let me quickly brief you. What are these awards going to be all about? These awards are conceived and designed to recognize the challenges, commitment, resilience, and path-breaking contributions made by individuals as well as institutions which are involved in designing and execution of several flagship programs and schemes of central government, of some state governments, and some public sector undertakings that have actually proved to be the game changers in the lives of people and society at large. So that will be the theme of our awards for the night. And we are proud to say that we have some eminent diplomats amongst us. We shall also be felicitating these diplomats who are heads of foreign missions based in India for their outstanding contribution to enhance the level of diplomatic relations and promoting trade, technical collaboration, tourism, and education with India. So that is by and large the theme of the evening today, which we are celebrating here. Thank you so much for being patient, being here with us. Really appreciate your presence amongst us. And as you are all aware, that this year is also marking the 150th birth anniversary of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Not just India, but the entire world is celebrating the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. In fact, his principles of non-violence, equality, and freedom, they have resonated amongst international community for years now, and they have been acknowledged, in fact, as founding principles of sustainable societies across the globe. So, ladies and gentlemen, before we start with tonight's formalities, here is a tribute to the Mahatma. His popular bhajan, Vaishnav Jan To Tene Kahiye, has been adopted by artists from over 124 countries to pay a musical homage to our father of the nation, to our very own Mahatma Gandhi. Let's take a look at that first, and please put your hands together as we play out that AV for you.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे।
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे।
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई
सकल लोक मान सहुने वंदे।
सकल लोक मान सहुने वंदे, निंदा ना करे के नीरे।
निंदा न करे के नीरे। वाच काच मन निश्चल राखे, धन धन जननी देनी रे।
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे।
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर
알아두게 우박하래 가래 도에 만나비만 안에 래
सकल लोकमा सहुणे वंदे
निंदा न करे के नीरे
जीवा थकिय सत्य न बोले भर धन नव ज्वले हाथ रे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो
तेने कहिए जे महामाया व्यापी नहीं जेने दृढ़ वैराग्य जेनो मन मारे
रामानमाशु तालिलागी सकला तीरता तेरा तारा मारे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जानी रे पर दुख उपकार करे तो ये मन विमान नान रे
वनलोपिने kapaterakice cię kamakrara nivarare
भाणे नरसायो ठेनो दर्शन करता खुड़ाई को तेरे थार्या रे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए मन अभिमान नाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे
सकल लोक मान सहुने वंदे
सकल लोक मां सहुने वंदे निंदा ना करे के नीरे
निंदा नगरे के नीरे वाच काच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जनानी
जानता थे न कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने
Para dupe ubakare kare doye manabiman ane re.
सकळ लोकमा सहुणे वंदे
निंदा न करे के नीरे
जीवा थकिय सत्य न बोले भर धन नव ज्वले हाथ रे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो
तेने कहिए जे महामाया व्यापी नहीं जेने दृढ़ वैराग्य जेनो मन मारे
Ramanamasu Talilagi Sakalatirata Teratara Mare
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे पर दुख उपकार करे तो ये मन विमान लाने रे
Vanalopini kapatera hitse kamakrora nivarare
भाणे नरसायो ठेनो दर्शन करता खुड़ाई को तेरे थार्या रे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे
What a beautiful rendition of the Gujarati bhajan, which was penned by 15th century poet Narsimha Mehta. And in fact, it was one of Mahatma's favorite bhajans. In any assembly, he would want to actually start with this message to his audience. Beautiful initiative there in which artists from more than 124 countries participated and paid this lovely musical homage to father of nation Mahatma Gandhi. That's why he's remembered across the world, not just in India. We're just about waiting for our special guests of honor to join us shortly. Slightly just delay because of their coming to the venue. However, nothing stops us from telling you a bit more about the awards that we have put together for the night. There will be 11 recipients, 11 organizations actually, who would be receiving these awards here. And this is an initiative which is being done for the first time. SarkariTel.com team thought that because we are turning major, we must appreciate it by extending awards of excellence in several fields. Now, those fields range from public service to campaigns by public sector undertakings, etc. And 11 people would be receiving 11 institutions, in fact, would be receiving those awards today. And in fact, these are actually the movers and shakers and are the executing teams which are responsible for implementing the Modi government's flagship schemes and programs. This is why we have put together this award ceremony, this felicitation ceremony for the evening. Now, if we talk about sarkaritel.com a bit more, you are all aware how this is actually a extremely user-friendly, easy to navigate information come news website. And what it does is that it bridges the kind of communication divide, the kind of information divide that the Aam Aadmi used to feel way back in 2000. How to get access to your representatives, how to get access to people in government at center level, at state level, and also how to get access to bureaucrats in public sector undertakings. So to bridge that gap, this initiative was taken and sarkaritel.com was set up, and it began with the basic model to put together all information related to contact details during the time when information was not so easy to access. Even Google, for that matter, had not become that popular. So in fact, our team at sarkaritel.com toiled hard and have put in massive efforts to gather relevant inputs from our associates and subsequently put them on the website for our users, which took around 18 months at that time to collate and put it in a structured manner on the website. Right, so I believe our special guests of honor have also reached the venue, and they will be shortly joining us here in the hall. And there is a long list of achievers and team members from diverse segments ranging from Digital India, Passport Seva, corporate social responsibility initiatives by PSUs. They were all analyzed before we selected our award recipients for the night, and they were analyzed on the basis of their path-breaking socio-economic impact and changing the lives of people and our society. So ladies and gentlemen, can I just request you to kindly welcome our guests for the night. We have amongst us Honorable Shri Hansraj Gangaram Ahirji, Minister of State for Home Affairs. He is our special guest for the night. And also another special guest for the night is Shri Sunil Deodharji, who is BJP National Secretary. Can I please request you to put your hands together and welcome our guests? Well, we were also expecting our chief guest, Honorable Shri Suresh Prabhuji, Minister of Commerce and Industry and Civil Aviation, to be amongst us, but just got a message that unfortunately he's taken ill and he will not be able to join us today evening. But nonetheless, I welcome you, sir. Thank you so much for coming here and honoring the entire team. And with that, we can also, in fact, start our ceremony for the night. Our guests are already in the house, and we would be starting with our program. So first of all, if I can request our special guests, our members of jury, and our special dignitaries from foreign embassies who are present amongst us to kindly come on the stage for the welcome bouquet ceremony. So I'm first going to extend a warm welcome to Honorable Shri Hansraj Gangaram Ahirji, his Minister of State for Home Affairs. Sir, I welcome you here on behalf of the team of sarkaritel.com and diplomacyindia.com. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you giving us time. I also welcome Honorable Shri Sunil Deodharji, National Secretary of the BJP. And at the same time, I'm also going to introduce our members of the jury. Amongst us, we have 5 distinguished, eminent people who have excelled in their respective profession and long career. And senior most amongst them is Ambassador Amrendra Khatwa, retired IFS officer. Also, we have Shri Siddharth Singh Ji, retired IAS officer who has had a long and distinguished career in the Government of India. I'm going to request all of you to please join us on the stage. so that we can start with the welcome bouquet ceremony. We have Dr. D.K. Bhalla, retired IS officer. He has served the state government of Nagaland and government of India in different capacities through his long and illustrious career. And also, we have Ms. Payal Kakra, young and bright lawyer and solicitor based in Delhi. She has an expertise in arbitration, regulatory, corporate laws, and international legal matters. Also, another member of jury is Shri Sanjay Singh. He is mentor and former chief resident representative of Tata Sons in Delhi, but is not available here tonight. However, he was part of the jury. So if I can also request Shri V.N. Jha, editor of diplomacyindia.com, to please join us on the stage, along with Shri Amey Sathe, publisher and editor-in-chief of sarkaritel.com, and also Srimati Amrapali Sathe, to please come here on the stage. She's director AMS Media Creations. Please join us here. And ladies and gentlemen, if we can first extend a warm welcome by putting a round of applause, and then we will start with the bouquet ceremony. Yep. So first, I'll request Shri V.N. Jha, editor, diplomacyindia.com, to kindly give the welcome bouquet to Shri Hansraj Gangaram Ahirji, MOS Home Affairs. Also, Shri V.N. Jha, kindly give the welcome bouquet to Shri Sunil Deodharji, National Secretary of the BJP. He's also our special guest of honor tonight. Well, Srimati Amrapali Sathe, Director AMS Media Creations, will be extending the welcome bouquet to Shri Sunil Deodharji. We would also like to extend a warm and special welcome to our members of the jury now. I have already introduced you to our extinguished members. If we can also play out their names on the screen, and I will one by one welcome them here on the stage, and would request Shri V.N. Jha, Shri Amey Sathe, and Srimati Amrapali Sathe to please join us in giving the welcome bouquets to our jury members. So first of all, our Chief of the jury panel, Ambassador Amrendra Khatwa. Sir, if you can please come on the stage. And giving him the welcome bouquet would be Shri Prakash Sharma, core team member and also national coordinator of the BJP Rashtriya Kisan Morcha. Thank you, sir. Shri Siddharth Singh Ji, retired IS officer, giving him a welcome bouquet would be Amrit Singh Ji and Alok Srivastav Ji, member of the team sarkaritel.com. Okay. Okay. If we can call upon stage Dr. D.K. Bhalla, retired IS officer, our jury member, and Srimati Amrapali Sathe can give him the welcome bouquet, please. So we welcome you here. Thank you so much. Ms. Payal Kakra, eminent lawyer, a member of our jury. Welcome, ma'am. Srimati Amrapali Sathe will be extending the welcome bouquet to Ms. Payal Kakra. Thank you, ma'am. We're also proud to announce and welcome Ambassador Augusto Montiel, Venezuela's ambassador to India, who is present amongst us tonight to celebrate this evening 18th anniversary of sarkaritel.com. We are also expecting Bhutan's ambassador to India and Uzbekistan's ambassador to India to shortly join us. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. Now I'm going to request all of you to kindly join us for lighting of the ceremonial lamp ceremony. If I can request our special guests, Honorable Shri Shri Hansraj Ahirji, Shri Sunil Deodharji, Shri V.N. Jha ji, Amey Sathe ji, Amrapali Sathe ji, and all the honorable members of the jury to please come here and join us for the lighting of the lamp ceremony. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can we please hear a huge round of applause? Can we officially now begin the celebration of the 18th anniversary of SarkariTel.com? The ceremonial lighting of lamp has happened. This is a tradition which is followed across the country on every huge occasion. And now I'm going to quickly hand it over to Shri Amey Sathe, publisher and editor-in-chief of SarkariTel.com, to kindly give us the welcome address and concept presentation for the evening. Shri Amey Sathe.
A very good evening to everyone. MOS Home Shri Hansraj Ahir ji, National Secretary of BJP Shri Sunil Devdar ji, our distinguished jury members, awardees, and all my friends who are in this auditorium. A warm welcome from my side. It's a dream come true. I have been, working for the last 18 years, and now I'll just make a brief presentation, after which I'll play a AV which captures the pictorial journey of SarkariTel.com. I'm delighted to be here. What a beautiful day it is, and I am so happy to be sharing with all of you. SarkariTel.com is a premium and a user-friendly information cum news portal having complete government contacts and other coordinates of ministries and departments of central government and state governments and public sector undertakings. Since its inception in April 2000, SarkariTel.com has been disseminating positive and constructive news related to policies and programs of the government. The objective of the website is to provide news and information to varied user groups at a single click. Soon the website became a bridge between the common man and the government. SarkariTel.com began the basic model to put together all the information related to contact details during a time when information was not easy to access. We at SarkariTel.com toil hard and put a massive efforts to gather relevant inputs from our associates and subsequently post them on the website for our users, which took around 18 months to collate and put it in a structured manner on the website. The website SarkariTel.com was inaugurated in August 2000, and the Hindi version of the website was inaugurated in the month of October 2002. With a span of 18 glorious years, it has grown into a massive website containing more than 1 lakh pages of useful information, getting overwhelming response and hits from India and from more than 159 countries. We take immense pride in sharing that people from all walks of life find the website as a one-stop solution for their searching needs. So popular is the website that we get automatic feedbacks and alerts from the relevant government ministries and agencies and embassies for updating the information on the website from time to time. Sarkaritel.com has readily available and relevant information became an instant hit with bureaucrats, journalists, policymakers, students, academicians, and other users. Till today, it is a niche website on the World Wide Web. With the sustained encouragement and support from all our readers, users, and associates, Sarkaritel.com continues its endeavor to empower people with ready information by adding a new feather in the year 2014 in the form of a website, diplomacyindia.com, a flagship venture of Sarkaritel.com. My editor, Mr. V.N. Jha, he joined me in 2014, and from that day till today, we have been continuously working on this website, and even this website has got a lot of accolades from the embassies. During the journey, I got an opportunity to visit more than 20 countries, understanding their cultures, know the people from different walks of life. To highlight few, I had a privilege and honor to be an international election observer for Uzbek parliamentary elections in the year 2014 and presidential elections in 2015 and 16. Today's event wish to felicitate and confer Sarkaritel.com Excellence Awards to the movers and shakers who have produced a lasting impact through the flagship programs of government and schemes of union and state governments all over the country. These awards are conceived and designed to recognize the challenges, commitment, resiliences, and path-breaking contributions made by the individuals and institutions involved in designing and execution of flagship schemes and programs of central and state governments and public sector undertakings, which proved a game changer in the lives of people and society at large. We shall also be felicitating few diplomats for their outstanding contribution to enhance the level of diplomatic relations and promoting trade, technical cooperation, tourism, and education. On this occasion, we are pleased to present a small souvenir depicting pictorial journey of Sarkaritel.com covering the highlights during the last 18 years. We are privileged to have goodwill messages from eminent personalities within the government published in this souvenir. I cannot close this speech without thanking some very important persons who have helped me in making my dream come true. First and foremost, my parents who taught me to lead a very simple life and yet achieve big and face the odds with a big smile. My dear friend Raza, Pankaj, and Anil Sagar, I think he's in the auditorium. Yes, he's there. Who has been with me throughout the journey. My dear wife Amrapali, who has been with me throughout thick and thin. She has been a great inspiration. These lines are also written by her. My colleague, mentor, and my big brother, Mr. V.N. Jha, who has guided me to make this venture big. My colleague, Mr. Sushil Kumar, is there, has been working with me for the last 12 years with full dedication and honesty. Not to forget my little superstar, Ayush, who brought me sunshine into my life. Many more that have influenced, guided, and encouraged me to be a strong, confident, and lovable person. Now I'll close my speech, and now I'll request my colleague to play a AV which shows the pictorial journey of Sarkaritel.com of 18 years. Thank you.
What a fantastic effort put together by Shri Amey Sathe and his team at sarkaritel.com. Once again, a huge round of applause for their achievements. It's not a mean feat to achieve 18 years and doing such excellent work. Thank you so much, Shri Amey Sathe ji, and congratulations to you, Shri V.N. Jha ji, and your entire team for completing 18 years. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, we are quickly moving on to unveiling of our souvenir for this evening. Shri Amey Sathe, in his opening address, did refer about it. It's actually a book that consists of goodwill messages and depicts the pictorial journey of 18 years of sarkaritel.com. And for that, I'm going to invite our special guest for the night, MOS Home Affairs, Shri Hansraj Gangaram Ahir ji, to please join us on the stage, along with Shri Sunil Deodhar ji, National Secretary of the BJP. Sir, if I can request you to please join us on the stage along with Shri V.N. Jha and Shri Amey Sathe, and also the jury members who are present amongst us. And ambassadors. We are also proud to announce that Uzbekistan's ambassador to India, Ambassador Farhod Arziyev, is also here. Please extend a warm welcome to him. Along with Venezuela's ambassador to India, Ambassador Augusto Montiel. Once again, I'll request you also to join us here. Ambassador Amrendra Khatwa ji, head of our jury panel, please join us on stage, and other members of jury, Dr. D.K. Bhalla, Ms. Payal Kakra, and Shri Siddharth Singh ji, if he has come. Ambassador Bhuta also here with us, sir. Please excuse me if I happen to miss someone, but I do extend our warm welcome to all our eminent guests who are present amongst us tonight. Can we just pass on the souvenirs to everyone for the unveiling? Can we please pose for pictures and then open the ribbons of these souvenirs? Please, ladies and gentlemen, I can hear a better round of applause. There are many of you present amongst us. Kindly appreciate the team of sarkaritel.com and diplomacyindia.com. You can also extend your goodwill messages by your gesture of clapping for the entire team which has put together this effort. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. With the unveiling of the souvenir, we are also going to now move on to our awards for the night. So I think we are ready to start with our awards for the night. I would request Honorable Shri Hansraj Ahir ji to please stay on the stage. And we are going to start with the award ceremony. So our honorable chief guest would be giving the awards. So the first award for the night, ladies and gentlemen, is dedicated to excellence in public service. And it goes to Dr. Dhyaneshwar Mule, IFS Secretary CPV and OIA, and his team, Passport for Passport at Doorstep. Can we please play an AV first? And then in the meantime, Dr. Mule would be joining us on the stage and would be receiving an award from our honorable guest. So please join us on stage, Dr. Mule. Please get the awards on the stage.
Namaste. Let me congratulate Sarkari Tel on having successfully completed 18 years of public service. It's a wonderful service which is trying to bridge the gap between the people and the government. As it often happens in today's world, it's not always easy to get across the message about the good projects and schemes of the government to the people at large. Sarkari Tel has effectively become an excellent, positive, constructive.
Well, congratulations, Dr. Muley. And Dr. Muley also has earned for himself the nickname as Passport Man of India. So our chief guest, Honorable Shri Hansraj Ahirji, would be giving the award to Dr. Dhyaneshwar Muley. The Passport Seva project, in fact, has been a watershed in the history of passport issuance in India with its successful implementation of the public-private partnership mode, which is popularly known as the PPP mode. Ladies and gentlemen, please put together your hands and congratulate Dr. Dhyaneshwar Muley for his excellent service. This award is specially dedicated to public service. Sir, thank you so much. Right, let's move on to the next award for the night. And as you all are aware that yoga is India's living heritage to the world. We are celebrating our living heritage to the world through this award. Dr. Basava Reddy, in fact, is one of the main architects of Common Yoga Protocol and celebration of the first International Day of Yoga, giving instructions to more than 40,000 people, including the Honorable Prime Minister of India at Rajpath. Can we please have on stage representative from Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga to receive this award from our honorable guests who are amongst us on the stage, Shri Sunil Diodhar and Shri Hansraj Ahirji, present here to give away these awards. Thank you. Right, of course, there is a lot that can be actually spoken about the Yoga Award that we have decided to give. Yoga, of course, is very popular across the globe, irrespective of the nation, caste, community, gender, social background, cultural background, and anyone and everyone has found a connect with yoga, and that's why we decided to give this award today. Now, we'll move on to the third award for the night, and this is in recognition of a young and dynamic diplomat. Ambassador Atul M. Gotsurve, IFS officer of 2004 batch, is the recipient of this special recognition from our side. In fact, I think we have Mr. Nitin here who would be receiving the award on his behalf.
Sir will receive. Dr. Muley will receive.
Dr. Muley, sir, if you can once again come on stage and take this award on behalf of Ambassador Atul M. Gotsurve.
After this, all the three ambassadors, you should give them award one by one. All the three ambassadors. Uzbekistan ambassador is there, Bhutan ambassador is there, and Venezuela.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now, for the next round of awards, can I please invite on stage our three eminent guests who are present amongst us: Uzbekistan's ambassador to India, Ambassador Farhod RCF, Bhutan's ambassador to India, Major General Bestop Namgyel, and Venezuela's ambassador to India, Ambassador Augusto Montiel, to please come up on stage and kindly give the next round of awards. Sir, can I please request you all to join us on stage and honor the recipients? So let me announce the fourth award for the night, and this is the second award of the night, which is dedicated to excellence in public servicing. And smart metering is a digital initiative by IGL. So that is the award that we are announcing right now. Smart metering, a digital initiative by IGL.
First, we should give them award, then we'll go.
Okay, before that, we would be giving mementos to our ambassadors on stage, and Shri Amen Sathe and Shri VN Jha would be doing the honors along with our special guest for the night, Shri Hansraj Ahirji, as well as Shri Diodharji. Bhutan's ambassador to India, Major General Bestop Namgyel. Uzbekistan's ambassador to India, Ambassador Farhod RCF, and Venezuela's Ambassador to India, Ambassador Augusto Montiel, receiving mementos of appreciation from our side. Thank you so much for joining us here this evening. Appreciate your presence. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now for the fourth award of the night. We're in the middle of the awards function, and we told you initially there will be in total 11 recipients. So the fourth award again is dedicated to Excellence in Public Service, Smart Metering, a digital initiative by IGL. To get that award, on behalf of the Deputy General Manager of GAIL, in fact, to receive that award, we have amongst us Mr. Sushil Kumar, Deputy General Manager, GAIL India Limited, and Mr. Raman Srivastav, CGM of IGL. Can I request you both to please come up on stage and take the award from our honorable guest, Shri Hansraj Ahirji, as well as Shri Sunil Deodarji, along with Shri VN Jha and Shri Amey Sathe present on the stage. Indraprastha Gas Limited, incorporated in 1998 as a JV of GAIL India and BPCL, has become a household name in Delhi and NCR. In fact, starting from only 9 CNG stations and 1,500 PNG consumers in 1998, now it is operating over 450 CNG stations, supplying PNG to 10 lakh satisfied households across Delhi and NCR through 11,000 kilometers of pipelines. Congratulations to you both. Congratulations to your team. Thank you so much for coming here tonight and receiving this award. Well, moving on to the fifth award for the night, which is to honor excellence in development of a unique branding initiative. And that goes to BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Let's play an AV if we can. Do we have an AV, sir? Okay. In fact, let's quickly give this award. Can we have the representative from BPCL please come up on the stage and take it? Believing that every mind is like a river delta, ever fertile to breed knowledge, BPCL has promoted it to regulate the tributaries of knowledge, learning and wisdom that originate from minds of its
Celebrating
family.
our people. The vision of BPC Tarang is to energize, entertain, engage and enhance knowledge of employees and channel partners. This program is shared with over 12,000 employees through our intranet and Mobi Connect on mobile platform.
Well, BPCL Brand Quiz
Our
Badsha
successes
2018,
and victory
organized since the year 2007, is a knowledge enhancement initiative by BPCL, which has been recognized as the largest corporate brand engagement program in Asia for employees and channel partners, and mega event which entered Asia Book of Records and India Book of Records. Also, their BPC Tarang is another feather to the brand equity of the company. Right, let's quickly now move on to the next award. NLC India Limited for excellence in corporate social responsibility. Navali Lignite Corporation India Limited. On behalf of Shri Rakesh Kumar, CMD of NLCIL, we have Mr. Satish Jain and Mr. Dinesh Kumar Mittal here amongst us to receive this award. Please put your hands together as we give our sixth award for the night in excellence in corporate social responsibility. Our honorable chief guest giving away this award to the recipients. NLC India Limited getting this award in Corporate Social Responsibility Forum of Women in Public Sector, and it continues to carry out developmental works in surrounding villages, focusing on socio-economic development. Okay, moving on to the seventh award for the night, which is the second award honoring excellence in corporate social responsibility in public sector, and it goes to National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, NHPC. Mr. Anurag Srivastav, Executive Director of CSR, is here to receive this award. Please welcome him on stage. And I'll request our honorable guests, Shri Hansraj Ahirji and Shri Sunil Deodarji, to kindly give this award to Mr. Anurag Srivastav, Executive Director, CSR. Congratulations, sir. Huge round of applause, please, for the recipients here. Let's encourage them. NHPC in a PSU category is getting this award. The company is known for its organizational integrity and ethical behavior in conformity with transparency of disclosing the performance in all its spheres of activities. Now we move on to our 8th, 9th and 10th awards for the night. 3 special women amongst us in the Common Service Center's Digital India category to receive this award. Please welcome on stage Ms. Vijay Lakshmi, Mrs. Krishna Borude and Ms. Sonu Bala to take this award from our honorable guests. The Common Service Centers are integral part of Digital India program. They are the access points for delivery of various digital services to village and rural areas across the country and contribute towards fulfilling the government mandate of a digitally and financially inclusive society. They also offer delivery of healthcare, agriculture services, financial services and education. And there are more than 3 lakh CSCs which are functional across the country. More than 3 lakh CSCs. That itself calls for a huge round of applause from all of you. Please, let's acknowledge their efforts. Our jury panel have selected these 3 names of village-level entrepreneurs who go by the name of Ms. Vijay Lakshmi M, Ms. Sonu Bala, and they are also nominated by the concerned division of Ministry of Information Technology in Digital India category. And we also have Mrs. Krishna Borude on the stage to take this award from our honorable guests. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, appreciating their effort, a commendable effort put together by our lady recipients for the night. This is award number 8, 9 and 10 in the Common Service Center's Digital India category. Right now, if we can move towards the last award for the night, and this is a special award, and this goes to No Honking campaign of Maharashtra. This is dedicated to excellence in spreading civic awareness. Mr. Rahul Mehta, trustee of Shant Bharat, Surakshit Bharat, is here amongst us to receive this award from our honorable special guest. This is an initiative of the present PWD Principal Secretary, Manoj Sonik. Horn Not Okay Please. It started in December 2017 at Mumbai along with the trust Shant Bharat, Surakshit Bharat. Till date, through several events and social media, it has reached 10 lakh people in the country and have garnered great support for this initiative, just inculcating civic sense amongst our society, amongst the citizens of this country. Thank you so much, sir, for giving away these awards. And in fact, if I can now request our honorable guests, starting with Shri Sunil Deodarji, to kindly address the gathering. Sir, please, if you can spare 2 minutes for us and address the gathering. Please welcome Shri Sunil Deodarji, National Secretary, BJP.
आदरणीय हंसराज अहीर जी, मेरे मित्र अमेय और विद्यानंद जी, सरकारीटेल.com के 18 साल पूर्ति के अवसर पर मैं अमेय और विद्यानंद जी और सरकारी टेल की टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं और आगे आने वाली उनकी यात्रा के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। भाइयों और बहनों, हमने कार्यक्रम का प्रारंभ जो है वो दीप प्रज्वलन से किया। दिस इज ट्रेडिशन ऑफ आवर कंट्री, हिंदुस्तान, भारत। तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमय, असतो मां सद्गमय। हम अंधेरे से उजाले की तरफ ले जाने की बात करने वाले देश के नागरिक हैं। हम दिवाली अमावस के दिन मनाते हैं, हम संक्रांति उस दिन को मनाते हैं जिस दिन से रात का समय कम होता जाता है, दिन का समय बड़ा होता जाता है। हमारा हर त्यौहार ये बुराई से अच्छाई की तरफ ले जाने वाला त्यौहार होता है और इसलिए कार्यक्रम का प्रारंभ भी हमने अंधेरे से उजाले की तरफ ले जाने वाले दीप प्रज्वलन से किया, लाइटनिंग ऑफ लैंप से किया। ये बात अलग है कि बाद में हमारे ऊपर कुछ कुप्रवृत्तियों का अति जो है संस्कार हो गया, जिसके कारण हम लोगों ने भी दिए बुझाकर हमारे जन्मदिन मनाना शुरू किया। लेकिन वास्तविकता ये है कि sarkaritel.com क्या है? ये ज्ञान का दीप, अंधेरे में ज्ञान का दीप इन्होंने जलाया। उस जमाने में जलाया जब इंटरनेट उतना पॉपुलर नहीं था, जब छोटे मोटे ज्ञान के लिए भी लोग गूगल बाबा के पास नहीं जाते थे, तब sarkaritel.com ये सबसे सुपरहिट ऐसी वेबसाइट थी और जितने लाखों लोगों को उन्होंने जानकारियां दी है। और एक इनकी विशेषता ये है कि ये जानकारियों को अपडेट भी बहुत प्रॉम्प्टली करते थे। नहीं तो हम कई बार देखते हैं कि अपडेट नहीं होता है। हम किसी को फोन लगाते हैं और वो बताता है भैया वो डिपार्टमेंट छोड़कर मुझे 4 साल हो चुके हैं, मतलब 4 साल में उसको अपडेट नहीं किया गया था इंफॉर्मेशन को। लेकिन सरकारीटेल की ये विशेषता है कि ये अपडेट करते रहे, प्रॉम्प्टली करते रहे, और इसलिए इनकी विश्वसनीयता बढ़ती गई, विश्वासार्हता बढ़ती गई। सो दे आर ट्रस्टवर्दी पीपल। साथ साथ आज जो उन्होंने यहाँ पर फंक्शन किया है, ये एक अवार्ड फंक्शन था। देखिए, किसी की अच्छाई को स्वीकारना, उसको ठीक से पहचानना, लाखों में किसी को चुनकर, हीरे को चुनकर लाना और उसको सबके सामने लाकर पुरस्कार देना, ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। ये दिल की अच्छाई दिखाने वाली बात होती है। ये अमेय के अंदर, विद्यानंद जी के अंदर दानत है, और ये दानत दिखाने वाली एक घटना मैं बताऊंगा कि यहाँ पर मंत्री महोदय को जल्दी जाना है, मैं जानता हूँ, इसलिए मैं बहुत संक्षेप में अपना विषय रख रहा हूँ। तो ये अमेय ने जो किया है, मुझे वास्तविक में आज सच बताऊं तो रोंगटे खड़े हो गए। 3 लाख से ज्यादा जो सर्विस सेंटर्स हमारे केंद्र सरकार के आईटी डिपार्टमेंट ने खोले हैं देश भर में, सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स, कि उस सर्विस सेंटर पर जाने के बाद आपको हर प्रकार की डिजिटल जो सर्विस है आपको आप दे सकते हैं। कोई कोयम्बतूर से एक बहना आई है, कोई रेवाड़ी से आई है, कोई जलगांव के पांचोरा से आई है, और ये भी मंत्रालय ने उनको बताया कि दे आर डूइंग एक्सेलेंट वर्क, आप इनको आप अवार्ड दीजिए। मैं आप सबसे एक बार जरूर कहूंगा, ये जो 3 बहनें आई थी, इनके लिए सब लोग जोर से तालियां बजाएं और उनका अभिनंदन करें, क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल होता है मेरे भाई और बहनों, देहात के अंदर केंद्र सरकार की योजनाओं की जानकारी ही नहीं, तो वहां पर उनको उस काम को करा के देना पूरी तरह से। क्या करना है आपको? पासपोर्ट निकालना है, आपको इंफॉर्मेशन आपके देहात में मिल रही है। मोदी सरकार आने के बाद उन्होंने सिंप्लीफाई किया है, हर प्रोसीजर को सिंप्लीफाई किया है। और मैं बताता हूं, मैंने इतने साल, मैंने कभी मेरा पासपोर्ट निकाला नहीं था, मेरा भारत ही मेरे लिए पर्याप्त था, बाहर जाने का कभी मैंने सोचा नहीं था। अभी 6 महीने पहले मैंने मेरा पासपोर्ट बनाया, 24 घंटे के अंदर मेरे पास मेरा पासपोर्ट था। एक जमाना था कि इसके लिए कितने दिन लगते थे, कितने बार अपनी चप्पल को घिसकर उसको खत्म करना पड़ता था। तो वास्तविक में मुले साहब ने जो काम किया है उसको सब लोगों ने बधाई देनी चाहिए। सबको बहुत सही ढंग से यहाँ पर चुनकर लाया था। इससे एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है उन लोगों को जो काम कर रहे हैं, उनको लगता है कि हमने भी इनकी तरह आगे बढ़कर काम करना चाहिए। मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, मैं सरकारीटेल को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ, अभिनंदन करता हूँ। आप सब लोगों को भी मैं बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। आज मैं सच बताता हूँ कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में इस तरह से पूरी कुर्सियां भरी रहना ये बहुत मुश्किल बात है। राजनीतिक दलों को ये मुश्किल होता है, लेकिन आज जो यहाँ पर सब लोग जो आए हैं ना, ये सरकारीटेल के जो संचालक दोनों हैं, विद्यानंद जी और अमेय जी, इनके जो मित्रता है, इन्होंने मित्रता से खींचकर सबको लाया हुआ है, और मैं भी उसी मित्रता की एक कड़ी हूँ। जो उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया, मैं यहाँ पर आया। वास्तविक में आने से पहले मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि यहाँ कितना क्या होने वाला है। मैं बस अमेय और विद्यानंद ने बुलाया इसलिए मैं यहाँ पर आया, लेकिन मैं सचमुच में अभिभूत हो गया हूँ और आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ, धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और माननीय हंसराज अहीर जी को भी बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। आज वो इस कार्यक्रम में आए, बहुत कार्यकुशल मंत्री है। आप सब लोग देख रहे हैं किस तरह से भारतवर्ष गए 4.5 पौने 5 साल से सुरक्षित है। एक बात की तो मोदी सरकार को दाद देनी पड़ेगी, पौने साल 5 साल होने को आए हैं, एक भी बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट पूरे भारतवर्ष में कहीं भी नहीं हुआ है, कोई आतंकवादी गतिविधि नहीं हुई है। कश्मीर में होती रही है, पहले से होती रही है, उसमें आप कश्मीर को मत पकड़िए। बाकी सारे देश में जो टेररिस्ट अटैक होते थे वो टेररिस्ट अटैक नहीं हुए, क्योंकि हमारा गृह मंत्रालय चौकन्ना है। जो इंटेलिजेंस की इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है उस इंफॉर्मेशन का उपयोग करते हैं, उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करते हैं, वो चिंता करते हैं इस देश के लोगों की। ऐसे गृह मंत्रालय के हमारे एक कार्यकुशल मंत्री महोदय को भी मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं यहाँ आने के लिए, प्रणाम करता हूं। मेरा विषय समाप्त करता हूं। भारत माता की जय।
श्री सुनील दियोदर जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, नेशनल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द बीजेपी. What a fantastic speech, really addressing us. And he did talk about the kind of friendship, the kind of support that sarkaritel.com and diplomacyindia.com enjoys amongst bureaucrats, journalists, academicians, and of course foreign representatives who are amongst us. So let me just quickly introduce for you, we have diplomats from Kazakhstan as well as Deputy Ambassador of Kyrgyzstan also amongst us in the gathering. Can we please put our hands together for them, and I invite them on the stage. Also our chairman of the jury, Ambassador Amrendra Khatwa ji, to kindly give them a bouquet from our side, appreciating their presence. And in a way, sir, can I please request you, First Secretary of Kazakhstan and Deputy Ambassador of Kyrgyzstan, to please come up on stage and receive this bouquet of thanks from Ambassador Amrendra Khatwa. Thank you, sir. Please. Can I please request Deputy Ambassador of Kyrgyzstan as well to please come up on stage? Sir, can we please have you here? Okay, I think he's excused himself. Thank you so much, Ambassador Amrendra Khatwa as well, for coming here. Okay, now I'm going to request our special guest for the night, Minister of State for Home Affairs, Shri Hansraj Ahir ji, to please come up on the stage and address the gathering. Sir, please.
आज के इस कार्यक्रम में सम्माननीय अमेय जी ने और जहाँ साहब ने जो हमें बुलाया है, मैं आपका धन्यवाद देता हूँ। सभी जितने भी मेहमान हैं उपस्थित हैं, सम्माननीय देवधर जी ने आपके सामने विचार रखे हैं और मैं sarkaritel.com के लिए मैं शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। इस जो अपने लिए पोर्टल है, एक बड़ी जिम्मेदारी साथ में काम कर रहे हैं। बहुत अच्छी बातें सामने आई है कि इसी कार्यक्रम में अपने sarkaritel.com में आज के कार्यक्रम में विशेष करके जो बहुत अच्छे क्षेत्र में अपने अपने क्षेत्र में अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, इन लोगों को अवार्ड दिया गया है। इस अवार्ड जितने भी हमारे विदेशी मंत्रालय से काम करने वाले जितने भी एम्बेसडर्स हैं, अनेक PSU कंपनियां हैं जिन्होंने अच्छा काम किया अपने CSR में, और हमारी 3 बहनें हैं जो बहुत दूर से यहाँ आई हैं अवार्ड लेने के लिए, और कई हैं ऐसे जो लोग अपने क्षेत्र में काम कर रहे हैं। इनका भी आज अवार्ड दे के सम्मान करने के उपक्रम में मैं अमेय जी का और जहाँ साहब का मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और बहुत अच्छा उपक्रम है कि देश में 2000 साल से आप लोग अपने इस वेबसाइट से देश की सरकार की सारी योजनाएं उसके बारे में जानकारी देने की एक सामाजिक जिम्मेदारी ही नहीं, राष्ट्रीय जिम्मेदारी निभाते आप काम कर रहे हैं। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है कि आप स्वयं स्फूर्त एक काम करते हैं, देश के नहीं बाहरी देश में भी आपका काम है। और ऐसी वेबसाइट को 18 साल पूर्ण होने के बाद में आपने आज का प्रोग्राम यहाँ अच्छे तरीके से लिया है। साथ में ही diplomacyindia.com का भी आपने काम शुरू किया है। ये सारी बातें आज की युग में, ज़माने में बहुत ज़रूरी है और सभी क्षेत्र में बेरोजगारी है, उद्योग है, हमें कई सरकार की अनेक योजनाएं हैं, आर्थिक स्थिति पर है, सामाजिक है, स्पोर्ट पर भी है, सांस्कृतिक है, विविधता आपने संभाल के रखी है। मैं आपको बहुत तरीके से इस कार्यक्रम में आपने अच्छा आयोजन किया है। सभी अवार्ड को मैं शुभकामना देता हूँ। फिर भी मैं एक प्रेस मीडिया आज का एक माध्यम बन गया है .com, स्वरूप बदलते गए हैं। कभी प्रिंट मीडिया था, आज हमने इस वेबसाइट के माध्यम से सरकार की अच्छी बातें लिखना है, ये प्रयास आपने किया है। मुझे लगता है कि देश की ज़रूरत है और इस कार्यक्रम में मुझे आना ये ज़रूरी भी था। मैं सरकार की तरफ से आपको बधाई देता हूँ और बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं आप। आपने PSU के बारे में भी मुझे बताया कि इन लोगों ने CSR का अच्छा यूज किया है। एक CSR फंड जो होता है ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है देश के लिए। आज देश की आबादी देखते हुए सरकार ने ऐसे कार्यक्रम उपक्रम हाथ में लिए हैं। सारी प्रॉफिट मेकिंग कंपनियों के लिए काम दिया हुआ है और अनेक बातें हैं जिस पर सम्मान्य अमेय जी काम करते हैं और इस काम से ही, ऐसे काम से ही देश की आबादी देखी जाए तो सरकार इन सब लोगों तक नहीं पहुंच पा रही है। कोशिश काफ़ी होती है। प्रधानमंत्री जी हम लोगों को, मंत्रियों को, MP लोगों को बार बार इस बात का एहसास कराते हैं कि सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम से क्यों ना हो, लेकिन आप अपने लोगों से मिलें, बात करें। और इसमें एक आज sarkaritel.com हमारे साथ में है, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है। आज ही प्रधानमंत्री जी को दूसरा इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड मिला है। कई काम अच्छे किए जा रहे हैं देश में। देश की पहचान दुनिया में एक अच्छे भारत के रूप में हो रही है। मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि जब हमारे देवधर जी कह रहे थे कि देश में शांति बनी हुई है, आतंकियों को सफलता नहीं मिल रही है। हमारे गृह मंत्रालय जी का उन्होंने उल्लेख भी किया है। प्रधानमंत्री जी की बहुत बारीक नज़र है देश में। उन्होंने देश की जिम्मेदारी जब ली है 2014 में, ये बात कही थी कि मुझे देश की सीमा की रक्षा करनी है और देश की जनता को सुरक्षा देनी है। ऐसे समय में एक जिम्मेदार प्रधानमंत्री अपनी बात कहते हैं तो महाराष्ट्र में हम कहते कि बोले तैसा चाले, जैसा बोलते वैसा करते हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी। और पूरी सारे मंत्रालय पर नज़र रखते हुए ये देश में उन आतंकियों को या कोई भी पड़ोसी राष्ट्र देश के बारे में गलत सोचता है, इन्हें दबा के रखने में काफ़ी सफलता मिल रही है हम लोगों को। अभी देवधर जी त्रिपुरा में कई वर्षों से काम करते हैं। आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट में शांति बहाल करना इतना आसान काम नहीं था, एक बड़ी जिम्मेदारी थी। और वहाँ चुनाव हो गए, 80% लोगों ने वोटिंग किया है और सरकारें बदलती है। और वहाँ के जितने भी आतंकी ग्रुप थे, उग्रवादी जो ग्रुप थे, जो अपने नॉर्थ ईस्ट में सेपरेटिस्ट की बात करते थे, ये सारे शांत हो गए हैं। सारे देश के राष्ट्रीय प्रवाह में बहने लगे हैं। ये विचित्र बात नहीं है, ये संभव है। ये संभव था, देर हो गया है। इसलिए अभी देश में पिछले 4.5 साल से कोई बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट नहीं हुआ है। ये हमारी सफलता है प्रधानमंत्री जी की। और यही सुरक्षित के साथ में हम देश को चलाते समय में sarkaritel.com भी यही काम करेगा कि ये भी बातें बता रहे हैं आप देश के लिए इस मंच से। मैं आपका धन्यवाद देता हूँ। सरकारी योजनाओं को आप देश की जनता को दे रहे हैं और साथ में अच्छा काम करने का अवार्ड भी दे रहे हैं। अमेय जी को, झा जी को मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देते हुए आने वाले दिवाली के पर्व की मैं सभी को शुभकामना देता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से निवेदन करना चाहूँगी कि प्लीज़ स्टेज पर रहें और श्री सुनील देओदर भी अगर आपको ज्वाइन कर लें। तो श्रीमती आम्रपाली साठे, डायरेक्टर AMS मीडिया क्रिएशंस, और मास्टर आयुष आपको हमारी तरफ से, सरकारी टेल टीम की तरफ से मोमेंटो पेश करेंगे। प्लीज़। Master Ayush Sathe presenting the memento to the MOS Home Affairs Honorable Minister Shri Hansraj Ahir ji. And also Srimati Amrapali Sathe, if you can give the memento to Shri Sunil Deodar ji. Can we please have the memento? Right. With that, I'm also going to request Honorable Minister Shri Hansraj Ahir ji, our special guest of honor Shri Sunil Deodar ji, to please stay on stage, and all the awardees to please come and join them on the stage for a photo op. Please come. All the 11 awardees, all the representatives who have taken the awards for the night, please come up on stage for a photo op with our special guests and our chief guests for the evening. Please, I am requesting everyone to come up on the stage for a photo op with our chief guests for the night, Honorable Minister Shri Hansraj Ahir ji, National Secretary of the BJP Shri Sunil Deodar ji, both of them, along with Shri Amey Sathe, Publisher and Editor-in-Chief of SarkariTel.com, Shri V.N. Jha, Editor, DiplomacyIndia.com. Ladies and gentlemen, all of us can appreciate this effort for this photo op and, of course, their achievements. What a beautiful moment. Thank you everyone. And I'm going to request Shri Sunil Deodar ji to please stay on stage, as we would be honoring our members of the jury as well, who are present amongst us, and they have done this painstaking task of selecting through the recipients of these awards. Shri Sunil Deodar ji, National Secretary of the BJP, will be now giving mementos to our members of the jury. We would also extend heartfelt thank you to our special guest for the night, Minister of State for Home Affairs, Shri Hansraj Gangaram Ahir ji, present amongst us this evening, encouraging the recipients of awards and felicitations given out by SarkariTel.com on its 18th anniversary. As you can imagine, the minister would be in a hurry and he would have other engagements to attend to as well. But sir, thank you very much. Appreciate you being present with us here tonight. And now, if I can request Shri Sunil Deodar ji to give mementos to our members of the jury, starting with Ambassador Amarendra Khatua, the chairman of our jury panel. So please come up on stage and take memento from Shri Sunil Deodar, please. At the same time, other members of jury who are present amongst us, do we have Shri Siddharth Singh ji, Dr. D.K. Bhalla, and Ms. Payal Kakra to please come up on stage and take the memento from Shri Sunil Deodar. Please bring the mementos. It was your hard work, and it is actually appreciation through their eyes that we have these recipients amongst us. National Secretary of the BJP, Shri Sunil Deodar ji, along with Srimati Amrapali Sathe and Shri V.N. Jha, presenting this memento to our honorable members of the jury for the awards of the night. This was the first edition for these awards of excellence and felicitation. And of course, SarkariTel.com, which has an excellent award, which has an excellent background, in fact, of success, hopes to continue this in the coming years as well. Ms. Payal Kakra, taking the memento from Shri Sunil Deodhar. Thank you so much. Every member of the jury has contributed towards making this day a successful outing for all of us. And as we say thank you, we would also want Shri V.N. Jha, editor of diplomacyofIndia.com, to kindly extend a vote of thanks.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, all the friends present here. Thank you is a customary thing which happens in with the conclusion of the event. But in my view, the thank you is a big event. It's a big thank you from the heart. So it's a heart-to-heart communication, basically. In India, there is a tradition that with the completion of every auspicious thing, you do some worship and the sacred activities. So now, in India, if you think that, as we say, that Atithi Devo Bhava, so you Atithi, you guests are all just like gods, that you have come here, you have endured all the hours, you have been patient, hearing us, looking at our endeavors, our small endeavors, appreciating it, and giving us a clap. So a big thank you for that. We'll be especially thankful to MOS Home Affairs, Sri Ahir Sahab, Sri Sunil Devdharji, National Secretary, BJP, and all the other guests, particularly the jury members who are present here and who have always given us encouragement, who have always gone through our broadsheets, our award, the process, the selection process. So we are thankful to them. We are also thankful to the ambassadors, to honorable ambassadors and other diplomats from Bhutan, from Uzbekistan, from Kyrgyzstan, from Venezuela, who just not only graced the occasion, they were here despite the fact that UN Day celebration was going on. So it was a difficult matter for them to be present, to receive the award, to receive the felicitations, to give such time. And in fact, they have always they have encouraged diplomacyindia.com. So they have got a special relation with diplomacyindia.com and the team Diplomacy India and team SarkariTel.com. We'll be immensely thankful to all the award winners who came all the way. I mean, they came all the way. They be present here for last couple of days or today since the morning. They received the award, they received the felicitations, and they have extended their helping hands also. Last but not the least, there is a big thank you to our supporters, to our public sector undertakings like NLC India Limited, GAIL India Limited, ESL, then we have Tata's, then others also like Bharat Petroleum and others, they have come forward. They came forward from the very beginning when we mooted this idea with them. They gave us encouragement to go through this process and say that, okay, we are going to felicitate them, they are going to be part and parcel of the process. So it's a big thank you once again to all of you, and particularly to the audience who have been here, who have encouraged us, who have been a part and parcel of this. Now I won't take much time, and I'll declare it open for the dinner which is waiting for you, and it will not be a justified thing to take much more time and wait for the dinner. So please let us join for the dinner tonight. Once again, thanks a lot.
Thank you all. Thank you very all. Thank you. It's my dream come true. Thank you.